And that includes a family from Johnston. The Crabb family's vacation came to an abrupt end when they were evacuated from their hotel on Maui this week, and tonight they are still waiting to fly home. Adam and Tracy Crabb began planning their family vacation to paradise last year. And for the first half of it, Maui lived up to their dreams. Until one night the sky turned orange with fire.
We came outside and looked over and went, oh my God, what is happening? Like you could see the smoke. But then later that evening, the orange sky from all the fire was pretty intense.
That night, the family was evacuated from their hotel about a mile from the fast-moving wildfire. They had no roof over their head, no cell service or power, and no way to contact their worried family back home in Iowa.
After we spent the night in the van on Tuesday night, we walked up to a shelter at a local high school, and we were able to go to like the top of like a hill and get a little service. And we were able to make a quick phone call to my parents and just say, hey, we're safe. Everything's okay. And then that was about it for the next 2 days, I think.
Safe but stranded. The family of 6 joined the mass exodus trying to catch a flight off the island.
After you see the devastation, the loss of life, the loss of an entire community, really puts things into perspective. So we slept on a church floor last night. Some of the kindest people I've ever met took us in as their own. And really we're just, hopefully it does alter our perspective, for the rest of our lives.
Saw that all the hotels were burnt down there, and there were a lot of smoke.
It was really pretty here, but just sad to see what happened.
It was just kind of crazy to see rolling through it because it was just so much gone, and like we were there, like 2-3 days before.
It's just absolutely devastating and unreal to hear about.
Yep.
So any just help people can give them, it is definitely needed, and lots of prayers.
Prayers as they leave a scarred paradise and a vacation they will never forget. Now for days, the family's flight keeps getting delayed, but fingers crossed, they tell me they are scheduled to fly out of Maui this evening.